Now in this video, we're going to bring everything together and try bringing it in one sheet. Now to add a sheet, you can go to view and we have sheet. Now by default, it will have its own title block A1 metric, which is Revit standard, which we don't want. Now the one that I've supplied it somewhere, I've kept it on my desktop. Wait, let me get it. Yeah, so on my documents, A3 metric and BCRV1. So click here, click OK, and it's loaded here. And this selected one, I'm going to bring here. Okay, I'm going to save this project. Remember to save your project. Now on the sheets, I have the default one, which is the Revit one, which I don't need, and I have this one. Now here I can go here first of all, and I can sort of add the details. Okay, some things which are sort of changeable. Fourth I can't change. Section I can change. Plate title, waffle slabs, sheet 4 or 3, project let's say 1, and everything else remains the same. This could be whatever 1RW to 80, whatever it is. Right, so once we have this, we can start bringing in our plan. So I'll not be bringing my floor plan, I'll bring my structural plan. So I'll bring this and I'll drag it here. Okay, now this is too big, but I'll kind of bring it here, and first of all I will double click on this if I want to change anything in this. If I don't, I can double click outside. Now I'm not able to see the outline of this. It's okay. I'll click on this and I will be able to still see the crop view by doing this. Now again, if I click on this, there is a crop region also, and there is an annotation crop. So all of these things are available. What I can do is you can sort of get this, double click and bring this closer, click outside, sort of bring it somewhere here by dragging it. If this is too big, I can double click on this, go into viewport, sort of shorten my grid lines, hence saving more space. Okay, now I can come here, double click on this, shorten this even more, double click outside, get on the sheet and drag it and move it. Now if I don't want to see this rectangle, I can click on this and I can switch it off. The crop region I don't want to see. If you want to bring it here, I'll bring it here. If you don't want this line, I can click here, sort of bring this here. Okay, if you don't want this first slab level, you can call it. I'll double click on this. Now click outside. This I'll rename as key plan. They'll ask, would you like to rename corresponding level and views? Sure. So this is key plan. Okay, so this is your key plan. You can double click on this and go for TL, which is thick lines. Switch off thick lines. Go outside. Want to change the scale? Click on this, and there's somewhere it's gonna be 1:100. Range base. Yeah, graphics. I can change it to 1:50 or 1:200. So I think I'll keep it as 1:100. This works out fine for me. Okay. So that's how you can add a sheet. Now you can drag in something else, for example, a 3D view or an elevation. You can bring it here, right?